Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Ano yan? Magtatapon po kami ng basura. Actually, may pupuntahan kami ni Kim. Pupunta kami ng... oo, kita. Pupunta kami ngayon ng pharmacy kasi kukuha kami ng may prescription ako for my period. Kasi naman guys, ewan ko kung masalan kayo, pero kasi nagkaka-period ako or may period ako mahigit 1 buwan na. Actually, magta-3 buwan na eh. Ewan ko kung sino naka-experience sa inyo ng ganito. Pero may PCOS ako, may PCOS ako kahit nung nasa Philippines pa. And then ngayon, ewan ko kung ano nag-trigger, naging okay yan siya. And then ngayon, balik na naman siya. So, may appointment ako kanina, kausap ko yung doctor. And then now, pupunta kami ng pharmacy.
Nasa'yo na yung wallet ko?
Yeah. Mamaya magchichika tayo kasi magchichika tayo about sa mga doctor dito and everything. Bababa muna namin to yung mga basura kasi nadumi na. Okay, bye.
Ito po ang basura namin for 3 weeks. So, ayan. Ang dami na. And then, ito, nasayang yan na yogurt. So, we figured out na nagkaka-pimple si Kat pag kumakain ng yogurt na yan. Kaya,
Nagtitrigger siya. So, kailangan namin siya tigilan.
True. Ito kami magtatapon sa garbage area namin dito sa building. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, yun. Here are the containers. Kaya medyo messy to. Kasi kailangan pa namin i-segregate. So, itong mga plastic bag na to, they provide that over there. They provide it. And then, yun yung gusto nila na gamitin namin. So, we use it on here.
So, we have to lahat. Ito. Ayan, yung mga nalalagay dito sa organic. Very organized naman. So far, very organized naman yung namin, yung garbage area namin. So, ayan. Yan pala yung pinaprovide nila na plastic for compost. And then, ito yung garbage area namin. I mean, yung garbage something. Lalagyan ng garbage. Ano ba? Ayan.
Okay, so tapos na tayo doon. Next thing, Monday pa lang ngayon, guys. Did we say?
No.
Oh, today is Monday. Kakawi lang din ni Kat. Nag-work from home ako today. And start of the week. Not too busy. Not a busy week, but it's a short week.
For you.
For me, and it's a short week for you next week. Yeah. So, yun lang. Today, tapon basura kasi 3 weeks na yun.
Oh my God, please don't judge us.
So, may tao kanina.
Kaya natigil yung...
Natigil. So, anyway, sinasabi ni God na don't judge us. But yeah, it's been 3 weeks na hindi kami nagtatapon ng basura.
Because...
But, in fairness, in 3 weeks, onti lang yung basura namin na naipon. So, that's a good thing. And every week kaming nag-empty ng fridge and pantry. Kasi ayoko na masyado maraming gamit and pagkain. Okay, so alis na muna kami ha. Sige, see you later. Da-drive muna ako. Enjoy niyo ba yung yung mga vlogs namin lately? Yung mga may pa-music.
Na-enjoy niyo ba? Kasi na-enjoy namin.
Oo. Alam niyo, siguro half ng views nun kami lang. Inuulit-ulit namin. If you like it, can I get a huya?
Oh, yeah. So guys, yung sabi ko sa inyo, kasi baka pa-end na yan. So guys, kanina, sinabi ko, kunento ko diba na magchichika ako about sa mga doctor dito. So, sa Philippines, kung for example, kagaya kayo sa akin na may case na may PCOS or PCOS, sa Philippines, pwede kayong magpa-check up agad or magpa-schedule agad for check up sa OB or gynecologist or OB-GYN dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito, magkaiba talaga ang obstetrician and gynecologist. So far, wala pa akong nakita na OB/gyne. Ano talaga siya? Ba yan? So wala pa akong nakikita dito na OB/gyne. Magkaiba talaga siya. So far, ewan ko lang ha, sa case ko lang yan kasi nung nag-try ako maghanap ng doctor dito para sa case ko kasi nga magtatatlong buwan na akong hindi nag-stop yung period ko. Magkaiba talaga sila. So tinignan ko yung gynecologist, and then when I tried to book for an appointment or consultation, hinanapan nila ako ng referral dito. Kung sa Pilipinas, pwede ka agad kayo magpa-check up or magpa-consult sa doctor, sa OB-GYN. Dito, kailangan muna ng referral from your family doctor.
Lahat ng specialist kailangan ng referral.
That's right. So, kaya papunta na kami doon kasi, sa pharmacy. Kasi,
kanina nag-online appointment si Kat from, there's something called Tia Health. And I think it's all over Canada now. Na you can get an online appointment with a doctor, and then they will, kind of like a doctor's visit, pero online lang siya. And this is more towards yung mga tao na they just want, to get checked really quickly. Hindi yung kailangan nyo pang i-check physically na ano tong rash na to, because obviously they can't say whatever that rash is without seeing it firsthand. But yung mga ganito na sasabihin mo lang na kung ano yung nararamdaman mo lately and stuff, or you want to get your blood work done, you want to get referred to another specialist, then Tia Health is right for you.
That's right.
Sponsored ba to?
That's right. So, ngayon yung general physician na yon, or yung physician na yon, nagbigay lang siya ng prescription para mag-stop yung dugo ko, pero may ni-recommend siya sa akin na blood work or laboratory work kasi kailangan pa din naman i-check yung mga sa loob kung bakit nagbe-bleed ako for 3 weeks. Running 3 months na. Yeah. So kaya yun, yan na yung pupuntahan namin.
Yeah. And yung pala dito, because Kat works full-time wherever she works, they have benefits na work benefits ba tawag doon? Employer benefits na if you go to the pharmacy, they will cover, I think, full yung sa inyo, diba? Or 80% or something.
Alam mo, hindi ko nga alam eh.
Well, we are going to find out right now. Yeah, so super. And if you are not working full-time, tapos low income kayo and you really need medicine, there are going to be specific programs suited for your case that you will find that will help you, and it's usually like a non-profit organization or a non-profit agency or the government. They will subsidize your
dito. So, ganun yung mga, dito guys. Ganun yung mga patakaran dito. Patakaran! Ganyan yung mga tsurbahan dito pagdating sa mga pa-check up or yung mga doctor. So, kahit wala kayong means na bumili ng gamot or magpa-check up for anything, may mga paraan talaga at may mapupuntahan kayo para ma-providean kayo ng gamot. Is that right?
That's right. Ginawa yun.
Oh yeah. Okay, update namin kayo mamaya guys. Bye. Ay, bye. Safeway.
Okay, nasa Safeway na tayo. So, medyo maraming tao. And that means we're not gonna be vlogging inside. Anyways, we'll try. I don't know. Can't promise you anything, right? Like, promises are meant to be broken. Hello. Okay, we are going. Well, Kat is in the pharmacy. I need to go buy ginger. Kasi magtitinola kami ngayon. And kanina pinabili ko ng ginger si Kat. Tapos ang binili na parang I don't know what it is. But it's not ginger. Anyways, ginger is so expensive here. $2.49. Okay. Pabalik na ako sa car. Because I don't know, I'm done paying. I only paid 77 cents for this big. It's pretty good. Ganito kalahay, oh. It's so big, 77 cents. That's a good price, I think. Anyways, Kat is still inside. Still waiting for her prescription, so I'm just gonna wait here. Kanina na-realize ko na we need to do groceries. So we're gonna do groceries later. We're just gonna just quickly do this errand and then cook at home, eat some dinner, and then head out again for groceries. It's only 5 o'clock right now, and usually we do like eat dinner quite early because Kat sleeps really early too. She sleeps at like 10ish or 9. No, 9 is ambitious. She strives to go for 9, pero mga 10 na kami talaga nakakatulog, 10:30 ganun. But yeah, anyways, intayin ko lang si Kat. On ko yung AC because it's really hot. Okay. Ayun na si Kat. After 15 million years, she is back. Hello.
Hello!
Ang tagal mo.
Ang tagal! Kasi wala akong profile sa kanila.
Oh, they have to make one?
Yeah, and they have to make sure na kailangan nila alamin kung saan nila i-bill yung discount.
Nagbayad ka ba?
I paid, so from $28, I only paid $8.
Wow, so how many percent did it cover? 75?
Yeah, I think so.
Can I see? Wow. They paid for $19.
Yeah.
That's good. Anyway, time to go back home.
Yeah, kasi kakain na
Tingnan mo, ito nabili ko kanina. Ito. Guess how much?
How much?
How much nabili mo yung non-ginger
I
kanina?
don't even know.
Okay, this one is only 77 cents.
What? Oh, so $1 na yun, ha?
Tinignan mo ba yung ingredients niyan? Baka naman may hindi ka aya-ayang something for your face.
So, dapat siya for Oh,
Hindi naman siya
and
hormonal,
treatment
diba?
of moderate acne vulgaris.
Okay, ano yun?
Conception control and treatment of moderate acne vulgaris.
So it's it's birth control?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay. Anyways, we're gonna go home because it's so hot in here.
I know. Okay, let's go.
In Nandito na kami sa building namin.
Init?
Ang init nga ngayon.
Imagine ko na matulog.
Ano?
So, hindi kami nag-park sa baba kasi alis ko naman kami mamaya.
True. Okay guys, so we have made it home. Ako ay magluluto na ng tinola. Anong ginagawa? In fairness naman sa akin, naka-ready. Whoa! We have to change the water. Oh my god. Tignan niyo yung tubig. Tignan niyo. Oh no. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi may nilagay akong zucchini dyan. Kaya ganyan. Hindi yan madumi usually, guys. Ano lang, naglagay lang talaga ako ng zucchini. So, habang nag-iinit ang ating ang ating mantika, look how empty. Look. Kawawa yung fridge. Look how empty our fridge is. So, we're gonna make a list right now kasi nga mag-grocery tayo ngayon. So, wala na kaming milk. Naubos ko na kanina. Itong wine na to, mga 4 weeks na siyang nakabukas. So, kailangan natin ng milk. Kailangan din natin ng eggs kasi 5 na lang yan. Eggs. And, wala na kaming vegetables. So, kailangan namin pag-usapan kung ano ang gusto naming ulamin this week. Until Friday. Para makakuha kami ng vegetables dun sa grocery store. Ang meats naman namin, marami pa. So we got ground beef. We still have some chicken. What's this? Tocino. More ground beef. We have fish over here. So may shrimp, may tilapia, and basa. So, okay pa kami sa shrimp. I mean, sa meats. Okay. So, ganyan na siya. Mainit na siya. It's time to cook.
Okay, so habang nagluluto si Kim, yan, ano niluluto mo?
Tinola.
Tinols. Yan, habang nagluluto si Kim ng tinola, tayo naman ay maglilista. Magko-continue tayo sa ililista natin or mga bibilhin natin. So, nabanggit na niya, kailangan namin ng milk, eggs. So, kailangan na din natin ng paper towel. Kasi, naubusan na kami ng paper towel. Kailangan din namin ng, bibili din pala kami ng Advil and Tylenol. Kasi, guys, super suki po ako sa Advil and Tylenol. Lalo na pag sumasakit ulo ko. Pero hindi naman palagi. Hindi naman tayo dependent dun. Kailangan lang talaga natin ng tubig. Also, what else do we need? Kailangan natin ng, I'm not sure. This one, yung scent booster, to be determined pa kasi.
Onion powder.
Onion powder. What else?
I think we need...
Vinegar?
Yeah, we need vinegar.
Ano pa? Ang cute pala nito, guys, kasi naglilista-lista naman kami, no, sa phone namin. Ginagamit naman natin. Pero ito, saan nga natin to binili? Sa Winners? Binili namin to sa Winners. Nakalagay siya for groceries. So, intended talaga siya for groceries. And meron siyang ganito, parang box, parang checklist talaga siya na magagamit mo. So, super gamit siya sa amin kasi mahilig kami magsulat sa mga groceries namin. Hindi yung sa phone lang talaga. Ewan ko. Well, magagalit kayo sa amin kasi hindi kami friendly. Paper yung ginagamit namin.
Oh, you know what? We need may goreng.
May goreng.
Because we don't have any. I ate the last one.
Okay. May goreng.
Buy bubbly also.
Do we need it?
Yeah, Dad likes it.
Oh yeah, oo. Kasi, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Kasi, si Pops, yung daddy ni Kim, gusto niya yung sparkling water. Si Kim din actually, kaya dati meron kaming soda stream. Pero,
Hindi namin lagi nagagamit kaya...
hindi namin lagi nagagamit. Kaya binenta namin yung soda stream. But, this week, pupunta yung parents ni Kim sa amin dito sa Vancouver. Kasama si Ella, kaya kailangan namin ng bubbly. Kasi, mahilig sila sa bubbly. Okay.
Alright, so it's time to eat now.
Okay, alright.
Okay, ayun si Kat. Wala kaming table, so dito lang kami ngayon kumakain sa, sa ground.
Boss!
Kasi nandun sa loob ng room ang table. Anyways, tignan nyo ako. Oh. Tangkilikin ng sariling atin. Anyways, kakain muna kami. Tapos, we are gonna head out for groceries.
That is right!
Okay, see you later. So, it is now 7:12. We are about to go out to get some groceries. It's a small list, so hindi na namin to masyadong i-highlight. But it's a grocery trip nonetheless. Anyways, we're gonna go. It's 26 degrees right now. 7 o'clock, 26 degrees. It's nice. Bumibili lang kami ng dessert. And sikat bumili din sa The Alley. This is what I got. It's supposed to be a small, but she put it in a large, no?
Yeah, kasi merong add-ons.
It's good.
The Alley. Andito pala kami ngayon sa Richmond.
Yeah, we're gonna go grocery shopping here. Just to end the day.
Oh my God.
Bakit? Masarap. Wanna try? This is a yogurt smoothie with oats. With yogurt foam. Huh? With yogurt foam.
Why is it called ricey yogurt?
Sometimes they put rice. Like last time we ordered, this has purple rice. This one has oats instead. We're gonna
So we're healthy people.
you like yogurt. Okay, we're gonna drive to the go to superstore.
Yeah, may superstore din malapit dito sa Richmond.
Yeah. So see you there. Piso. Wala na tayong wipes. We have made it here. We're at Richmond. No Clorox.
Wala?
Wala naman tayong Clorox.
Alam ko meron eh.
Wala. Okay.
Ito na lang.
Ayan, sige. Naghanap siya ng wipes. Okay, let's go na.
Kuha ko ng advent and
Ayan, kumuha kami ng watermelon.
watermelon.
Yes. So, yung mga ulamin namin this week, hindi naman pala kailangan ng mga vegetables. So, wala kaming vegetables kukunin. Maliit lang talaga yung list namin. Pero mahal to. Kasi may Tylenol, may milk, may eggs. Anyways, ipagpapatuloy na namin itong grocery shopping namin. A lot of people. Ayan na lahat ng binili namin. Mostly for, house stuff. that we need to stock. Not a lot, but it's already at 40, 52. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kulang-kulang ang superstore niya. Also, ang mahal na ng bigas.
42?
Yeah, the bigas that we buy is $42 now. Used to be 32. Tapos pag nagsa-sale siya, 26. Ngayon, 32 na ang sale price.
Yeah.
Inflation. Okay, we're just gonna get to the park. Hi, everyone. Ang mahal na ng grocery ngayon, no? Lalo na yung mga, hindi produce. It's so expensive now. Ay, nasikat. Nagbalik lang siya ng cart. Why are you laughing at me from outside?
Kasi nakikita ka. Sabi ko, huh? Can you put this on, please?
Mahal na, no?
Are you telling them that we paid
60?
Sure. Oh.
Nag-wipe na ako.
Saan?
Yung may isa pa natira dun sa wiper. You guys saw me.
Tamad ka lang mag-wipe talaga.
Huh? We're going pa to Guys, inantok na ako. Anong oras na ba? Oras na.
So,
9 na pala. That's why.
sleeping time.
Almost our bedtime.
True.
Look at my eyes. Getting sleepy. Okay, one more stop and then we go home. This is pretty good.
Ano ka balis na?